Friends, today we will learn about the introduction of some basics of computer, including very new feature of Windows 10 along with basic shortcuts which we need in daily while working with computer. This we will learn according to chapter wise. So today's first chapter is some shortcuts used in MS Windows, and this we will continue with MS Office application 2 with MS Word basics shortcuts, and then after with chapter wise we will learn about some other topics also. So today's first chapter, here we see our screen is the Windows 10 platform screen. So this is the very basic thing, that is the start menu, and when we click, this is the very familiar thing, documents, pictures, setting and power. This we get here, sleep, update and shut down, update and start, and here we can do shutdown. This update means every day it does update of some applications and menus. This is what? This is the 3D viewer. We can use our laptop as the 3D viewer also. Acrobat Reader. This is application which help us to read the PDF. Alarm and clock. We can set alarm and clock from here. Very easy. Calculator, calendar, camera is here also. We can do some camera pictures also by sitting in front of laptops. Cortana. Cortana is like Hey Google in our Android apps. So like that it is also, and it helps us to search application just by asking. And these are some computer laptops applications: Dell Power Manager, Dell Update, Dolby Access and all. Here are the some quick access applications which we get in the start menu of the Windows 7, like that here also. Excel I have used very recently. These are some Google Chrome I have used, and some applications which I have used very recently like Microsoft Tool, Microsoft Edge and Office, OneDrive, OneNote, Paint and 3D. Here is what you want to know, that here is what these tiles are. What these tiles are nothing. These are the very quick application used recently by us on the laptop. When we have used some applications very recently, they will show us like this, the Word, Excel, and these are the applications which I have used: Skype, Windows, Team, PowerPoint. Okay, fine. Now let's come to the topic. Some shortcuts are written here. That is the chapter 1 basic Windows shortcuts. Task view, window logo key plus tab. Window logo key, I will show you what is window logo key. This is the window logo key, and by using this we can use tab and this window key, and then we can view the task view. Switch between open apps. Windows logo key plus D. This window key, by pressing and holding window key and D, so we can switch like this here Windows D, ऐसे हम अपना हाइड कर सकते हैं. here shut down option, window logo key plus X, and this can shut down our PC. This is helpful for us. Lock your PC. We can also lock our PC by just pressing this window logo key and holding down and then L. Windows plus D, display and hide the desktop. This is also the same, display and hide the desktop. Windows plus L, lock device. Shift, Control, Shift and N. This help us to create new folders on our desktop. And File Explorer. File Explorer, let me tell you, this is what File Explorer. You can see this here, File Explorer, and we can visit from here. This is the icon of File Explorer. See here, and yes, we can find here desktop, download, folders, document, pictures, music, videos, web project, and some very quick recent files which we have used very recently by us, like this Capture, MyWeb, Regis New. These are all the files which I have used very recently. So next, coming to the topic, Alt and F4. Alt and F4, what? Close active window. This active window which I am using here, which this can be closed by just pressing down this Alt and F4 function key which is on your laptop. You can see there. I think this is the on board key. So I think this will not show you the function key, but yes, in your laptop and in your keyboards you can have this function key. So by pressing down and holding down the Alt and then F4, then you can close the active windows. Windows and tab key. What help us Windows and tab key? Windows and this tab key. So this will hold, and see this this is just working also. Leave it. Yes, by holding and pressing this window key and tab, we can just switch down to the multiple tabs which we have opened recently. Like I will show you. See, Windows tab. See this, or these all the active tabs which are using right now. So this is for today, and you can just make it down written in your copy.
Attaining knowledge, accomplishing goals, achieving success.